Good puppy. Good puppy, Cha-Cha. Oh, you dropped it. Behind you. Over here, Cha-Cha, over here. Over here, come here. It's over here. Give her another one. Cha-Cha, go get that one. Good girl. Hey, you went by.
They're too small. You use some that float more.
Yeah, that's for deep. You're afraid to get them. Cha-Cha, here, try that one. Yeah, huh. Or trip.
One that floats higher, ships up higher.
Can you get one? Chopper, come here.
Oh, you break that in half.
Cha-Cha, go get it.
Yeah, you can see that one.
Oh, yeah. Good girl. Come on. Here, get it. Chopper, you want another one? Here. Another one? Get wet. Get it with the water. Here, Cha-Cha, good girl. Have a milk one. You want to chase those sticks on Chopper. Cha-Cha, go get it. Chopper, here's milk one in here.
There you go. There you go.
Want to go in again, Cha-Cha? Go get it. Good puppy.